Hi everybody, it's Tereese, back with another Crafty Dare. Um, Today I wanted to share this week's dare. Um, we are an Instagram group that we dare each other 3 things, and we share them every Friday to get us out of our funk. And this has always made me crafting every week, and that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to do more of it even though I'm working. um yeah, so this week, one of our members are daring us to use a snowman, a mug, and an embossed texture. So this is really fun, and I noticed that I did not have a lot of snowman stamps. I have a lot of Santas. I have a lot of gingerbread. I just don't have. I mean, I don't even have that many gingerbread stamps. But anyway, so let me show you what I used. I used these mugs from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to start using them. I can't afford them anymore. I used this embossing folder from Stampin' Up, and I used this paper pad from Recollections. So this is what I created. I actually created 2 mugs, and I just love how they turned out. They're so festive and so pretty. So what I did was I painted the wood piece with acrylic paint. I just added some red paint to the handle. I traced out the pattern paper and cut it out, glued it on to the base. I even traced the top out of white cardstock, cut it out, and then embossed it with the embossing folder. If you can see the embossing, it's so pretty. And then I sat here, I don't know, yeah, it was today. I sat here and made some. I found this ribbon in my stash, and I sat down and made some ribbon bows, finger bows. I had this snowflake already cut out of the sparkly paper, added some bling, distressed the edges, very simple embellishment for a card or, an index card, because they're what, let's see, this is This is 3 by 3. It's like a 3 by 3. You can add this to a 3 by 3 card or a 4 by 4 card. It'd be cute. So this one I did the same thing. Um, I just painted the handle black because of the black and white, oh, black and red check, and of course of his black hat. Same thing, embossed it, added the snowflake and some sparkly bling to it, and my finger bow. So this one was a really cool, I got to use my mug wood pieces, so that was fun. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Come join us at on Instagram, hashtag Crafty Dares. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.